Ever wished you could select every color match in your design with just one click? Let me show you the magic behind the Magic Wand tool.
Hello, friends. Today is our Class 11, and our topic is the Magic Wand tool. You can find it on the left side of the toolbar, and its shortcut key is Y. Now, let's understand how it works. It helps us select similar colors easily.
If a design has many shapes of the same color, then by clicking on just one shape with the Magic Wand tool, all the shapes with similar colors get selected automatically. Quick editing. You can change the fill or stroke color of all elements with the same color at once. Tolerance setting. In the control panel, you'll find the tolerance option. This lets you decide how wide the range of similar colors should be. Low tolerance, example 10. Advanced selection. This allows you to select not just by color, but also based on stroke weight, opacity, or blending mode. Pro tips. Holding Shift while clicking lets you select multiple ranges. Double-click the Magic Wand icon and you can open its settings. It's the best tool for editing specific colors in large illustrations.